everybody, it's Mrs. Pelk here. Welcome to another week in poetry. This is actually our last week in poetry, and on Friday we have something really cool for you called a Poetry Slam. This is something that's optional that we're going to be doing through Flipgrid, so kind of look out throughout the week for some information about that. But today it's all about haikus. Now, some of you might know what a haiku is. I couldn't even get my words out there. Some of you might know what a haiku is. Some of you might have heard of the word haiku, but you're not quite sure. What I'm going to tell you is it's actually a really fun and simple way of writing poetry, and it's all about syllables. All right, so let's get down to it and talk about what a haiku is. A haiku is a traditional form of Japanese poetry, and this one does have rules. It consists of 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables. And it always has to be this way in order for it to be considered a haiku. Let's look at this first one, water. The water is blue. Turtles and fish swim freely. I wish I was them. So let's check out a little bit more about what makes a haiku a haiku. One of the things is that a haiku does not rhyme. And another really important thing is that it is always a poem that describes something in nature. Let's take a look at the haiku down below called The Ocean. Beautiful ocean, roaring waves crash down on me, floating in the foam. I'm going to read it one more time, and I want you to keep track of the 3 lines. On the first line, count out the 5 syllables, the second line, 7 syllables, and the third line, 5 syllables again. Okay, first of all, yes, I am in a totally different outfit in case you were wondering why I might look different. All right, I want to read the ocean with you, and we're going to count syllables together, okay? So it goes like this. Beautiful ocean, 5. Roaring waves crash down on me, floating in the foam. And there is your 5, 7, 5. Let's read a few haikus together, and as I'm reading, try to keep track of the syllables. Remember, first line 5, second line 7, third line 5. Flowers growing high, blooming up toward the sky, paint vibrant colors. Our second one. Flowers in the ground, withered, gnarled, turning brown, fading back to dust. And let's read a few more. Between the 2 trees, looking up at their branches, which one should we climb? Butterflies are cool in the big, huge green forest. They fly up so high. So I hope you enjoyed learning about haikus and reading some of the haikus with me. And now it's going to be your turn. Take a look at the Google Doc, and it has all of your directions for today. I also left some little helpers for you at the end of this video if you need them. And if you don't, that's fine. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.